Jessica is a marine biologist who, whilst carrying out research, found a dead Maui dolphin washed up on shore. The dolphin had died after getting stuck in a fishing net. The more we learn about an endangered species like the Maui dolphin, the more we can do to protect it. Jessica has learned as much as possible by reading widely and talking to other scientists, surfers, divers, and fishers who work in the area. However, the best way to learn about an animal species is to observe it in the wild. Jessica and her colleagues take photos of the Maui dolphin. They note the location, the water temperature, how many there are, what they're doing, and whether they have any recognisable markings. After entering her data into a database, Jessica finds that the picture looks bleak. There has been a significant drop in the population size since the 1980s. Recording vague impressions of population size is not good enough to discover the true picture, and it is important to get the numbers right for endangered species. However, counting animals in the wild is not easy either. In 1985, a thorough population survey of Maui dolphins was carried out. The following facts can help the process. The entire population of Maui dolphin only inhabits the area between Dargaville and Pariokariwa on New Zealand's western coast of the North Island. The dolphins are only found within 9.25 kilometres of the shore. The researchers knew that Maui dolphins swim closer to shore in the summertime, so they took many boat counts between the shoreline and 800 metres out to sea, then a further set between 800 metres and 9.25 kilometres. They needed to investigate their error rate, so at the same time of year and day, other researchers counted the dolphins from the hilltops. Their results were: the boat crew counted just over 75% of the Maui counted by the hilltop crew. 50% of the total population could be found within 800 metres of the shore in summer. In winter, only 20% were within 800 metres at any given time. This information helped Jessica and her fellow researchers to estimate how many dolphins were in the population. To estimate an error rate, we use a very similar calculation to percentage increase calculations. Here we are calculating the percentage error. For example, if the hilltop count was 93 and the boat count was 71, we would have percentage error 23.7%. In Jessica's research, the boat crew counted just over 75% of the Maui dolphin that the hilltop crew counted, so the percentage error was just less than 25%. According to some scientists, the low numbers, 80 adult dolphins found in Jessica's research in 2007, mean that the population only needs to lose one individual every 5 years for the Maui to be extinct by 2050. Others disagree. So how do you calculate how quickly a population can grow or diminish? The basics of the equation are quite simple. If the number of births in a population each year is greater than the number of deaths, then the population grows, and vice versa. It becomes more complex when you consider and include the impact of the following information. The Maui population has several factors stacked against it for population growth. One male dolphin can fertilise several females, but each female gives birth to only one calf every 2 to 4 years. Some females never breed. The dolphins only live to a maximum of 20 years and the females only start breeding after 9 years. Some dolphins die of natural causes, but a significant number die from human intervention, the worst cause being dolphins caught in nets intended for the spotted dogfish. Since the dolphin is a mammal, the result is death by drowning. How the government is helping. How can you help?